I know it might look like I know what I'm doing, but I can assure you I do not. Can't even find the screwdriver. Hold on. It's a little bit toasty out here today. This generator, the oil, is good for about 50 hours, it says. And it's been just about that. And it comes with this little screwdriver. If you have an electric screwdriver, it would definitely be easier. That's another, it did crank. That's another hint that it's probably about time. Now there's what the inside of it looks like. And this is the oil fill and drain. I did read the instruction manual, and you're supposed to drain it out of here, and then you put in like 10 point something ounces of oil, and it's supposed to be 10W30. I did get the synthetic blend. It's supposed to last a little bit longer. This is an air filter, which I don't know how often you're supposed to change that. I'll look it up. Let's see what we can do here. So I'm going to unscrew this. There's the dipstick right there. And it is a little dark, although it really don't look that bad. See, it's not that burnt. But it is about time. So let's get her done. Yeah. We got her all drained. I'll give it a little wipe right here. Try to clean as we go. Alright, looks pretty clean to me. Now comes the fun part, putting the oil in. And it holds just over 10 ounces. And I can't do math. That's why we have AI. How much oil does the Generac 2500i hold?
The Generac GP2500i holds 0.36 quarts, 0.35 liters, or approximately 11.8 fluid ounces of 10W30 engine oil. Check the level with the dipstick resting on the threads rather than screwed in.
Hey, if I have a full quart of oil, how much will be left after I pour enough into it?
If you start with a full 1 quart, 32 fluid ounces bottle of oil, you will have 0.64 quarts remaining, a little under 2/3 of the bottle, approx 20.2 TO 20.5 fluid ounces, remaining approx 600 meters L. Remaining, quick tip for pouring. Most 1 quart oil bottles have measurement markings along the clear view stripe on the side. Pour slowly until you have around 20 TO21 FLOZ remaining in the bottle. Then stop and check the level with the dipstick, resting on the threads, not screwed in, to avoid overfilling.
How much will I have left in milliliters?
596 milliliters,
Okay.
about 600 milliliters.
Okay. It said I should have about 2/3 of a quart of oil left. So this is in milliliters. So I'm gonna fill it till I get about right there, and then we'll check it on the dipstick. And it comes with this funnel that sticks down in there. That's the one that came with it. I do know it has a sensor in it that if you overfill it, it will not crank. I think that's about right. Let's check the dipstick. Wipe it off a little bit. Wipe that off. Let's wipe the table off. Alright, so we're going to stick it in, and it's resting on the threads. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just barely above the L. So we're going to keep going. It's got an L on the bottom and an H on top for high and low. I kind of want to fill it all the way. Okay. I think that's about good. Trying not to make a mess. Alright. Let's check her again. Resting on the threads. Oh, that's perfect. I don't know if you can see that, but it is right there. Right on the H. And that's right where I want it to be. Let's give her another little wipe down. I like to stick some tissue in there. And a little bit on the bottom too. Like that. Just wipe it all down. And I'm going to put it back in this bag that it came in. This is a tool to get the spark plug out with, but it's not time to do that yet. We'll put that back in there, and the screwdriver goes in there. Cover back on, because I'm pretty confident I did it correctly. So you can get 3 oil changes out of 1. And you're supposed to do it every 50 hours, which is, for me, about every 45 to 55 days. So today's around the 50th day. So we're doing it. All right, let's see what happens. Cross your fingers. All right, now I need to remind myself to change the oil again, and this is how I do that. Can you remind me to change the oil in the generator in 50 days?
I have set a reminder to change the oil in the generator for Tuesday, October 6th, 2026.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good to go.